Now for this question, you need to be typing it into your calculator, and so it's very dependent on the type of calculator that you have. So I'm going to start off just by showing you how you would do using the fraction button. So here you have the fraction button, and so first of all you put the fraction in place and then you start typing in the sum. So on the top we have the square root of 7,056, and so you type that into the top and then using the arrow button move down to the bottom, and then you can type in what you need to have on the bottom, which is in this case 0.35 times by 12.8. And once I've done that, I then need to press the arrow button to get out of my fraction. At that point I should be able to press equals and my calculator will come up with my answer. Now in this case it said write out all the figures on your calculator, so we do not want the fraction, we want the decimal, so we need to press this SD button. And when we do that, as if by magic, 18.75 appears, and so that's what we would then write on our answer line. Now, if you have a calculator without this button on it, then you need to do something slightly different. You need to treat the top and bottom of the fractions separately. Now, the safest thing to do is to open your brackets and type in whatever's on the top of your fraction. So put that square root of 7,056 in again. And again, you need to be careful that you come out of your square root before you close your bracket. And then if you divide by, because remember all that fraction line means is divided by, and open your brackets again and type everything that's on the bottom of the fraction in. So in this case 0.35 times by that 12.8, close my brackets and press equals. Again it comes up with that fraction because these calculators generally do, but if you press your SD button it comes out with the 18.75 again. Moving on to the part B, we then wanted to write our answer to part A correct to one significant figure, and so what we're looking at there is looking at our answer of 18.75 and remembering how to round to one significant figure, so we're only allowed one number other than a 0 within our number. We've got to keep it as close to our 18.75 as we can, so therefore in this case we're rounding to the nearest 10, so it would be 20.